Hi fam, hi fam, welcome back to the Sals and Layne's channel. It is your girl Sals, and Layne is just on the boat somewhere, but I quickly wanted to come on here to start our intro off and just to let you know we're here in the city and we're gonna celebrate our girl Juanita's 21st birthday today. And oh, hello. And yeah, we're just vlogging her birthday today and just letting you all know to come along with us on the cruise. And before I go anywhere, I just wanted to shout out to Poly businesses that I went to today for my hair and makeup. Shout out to AP Hairstyles, I think it's, yeah, AP Hairstyles. I'll put it right here. And also shout out to Face by Tani, which I'll put her link here as well. Both in Campbelltown area. I mean, look, they made me look amazing, and yeah, shout out to them. So yeah, let's go and check it out. Control room. They haven't finished setting up yet, but this is the DJ corner. Birthday girls here. Oh, look at sparkly. Happy birthday. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, hey, you can put it upstairs. Aww. Oh, it's so beautiful. I'm hungry now. Emotional. Get Anita. Give us some poses. Oh, next pose. Let's go. She wants that drink. Trust me, girl. You want it done now. Oh, you look so lovely. We have my pharmacy. Hey, there is Trini's Coney. Hope Studio. Stay ruthless. Sisters. Yeah, that like say hi.
Hey everyone, welcome to Socializing Layne vlog.
Who's this?
Share my world. Come and tell
kids out here. It's an old crew.
Toilet, there's a little bit of tagging. Someone tagged on the toilet where the urinal is. I know you don't think it's fresh, but I touched it myself. Okay, and it's fucking fresh. Okay.
All glory and praise to our Heavenly Father for blessing Juanita for 21 years here on this earth and for bringing us all together to celebrate this milestone. On behalf of my husband and I, Juanita's parents, we'd like to thank you all so much for coming tonight to celebrate our baby girl's 21st. Especially those who travelled interstate. Auntie Pat, Uncle Roll, Gloria, thank you. Thanks so much. Okay, Juanita Chavez Tolton, named after my sister and other bestie, two strong and beautiful women, her Auntie Nita and Auntie Betty. Our millennium baby, born 21 years ago today on the Queen's birthday. When Nita was little, she was such a character. She wasn't shy and she was very outspoken. It was just her and her brother and she drove him nuts. But when she reached her teens day, it was a different story. It caused us a lot of stress, worry, heartache, and at times I just wanted to wring her neck. But besides all that, Nita has blessed us with a precious gift, our grandson Leviticus. We are so proud of our baby girl.
That's my little
Nita has grown into a beautiful and strong woman and a wonderful mother to Lily. She has a massive heart, especially for her family. And if you follow her Instagram, Juanita's strengths, you'll admire her determination and perseverance. As we are aware, there's a lot of stigma with having a baby young and a lot of judgment. So when Nita asked us if she could have a 21st birthday, we were like, of course, darling, why not? I know you didn't want a key, darling, but Dad wanted to still give you something. We wish you a blessed 21st birthday, darling. May our Heavenly Father continue to watch over you, our baby, and bless you with many more happy and wonderful years. We love you, Mamilo Asfano. Hi, everyone. Hi. First of all, I'd like to give thanks to the man above. Yes. For my sins. Thank you for blessing me with a beautiful life. I'm so grateful for reaching age 21.
Yes, girl.
I'd like to thank everyone who has came tonight. I just want everyone to know who's here tonight holds a very special place in my heart or plays a really big part in my life. I'd like to thank everyone who's helped behind scenes. My Auntie Nita and my Uncle Matt. My older brother and his partner Sally, Layne and Sally. Yes, Sally and Layne. I'd like to thank my little sisters, Courtney and Eva. I also want to give a special shout out to all older sisters.
Yes. We love you
Chelsea.
too, mother. We got to go.
Thank you. These have made my teenage years the best years of my life. All the members. Thank you for everything you do for me, and you have all the stuff that you've done for Levy as well. Sharon, my best friend is Lucy. My first friend when I moved here from Australia, you know. Thank you for being there throughout my darkest times. When I was a little shit. We got to go. Now she gives me a headache.
Harder for your ass.
Next shout is to my partner Layne. Thank you. Thank you for putting up with me for the past 6 years. Thank you for being a good partner. And not only that, but a good dad to my son. You love me through my flaws, love me through my downsides, and love me even though my family are a bit crazy.
We got to forever go.
I love you and baby. And lastly, to my mom and dad. I'm sure leading up to my birthday, I made my parents want to pull their hair out.
Your dad.
Anyways, I cannot repay you of anything for what you have done for me throughout this life. I wish I knew the words to explain how grateful I am. You have shaped my life, positivity and passion. Everything that I've learned in my life is from you too. Thank you for being the reason behind my successes. Without you guys, I'll never be the person I am today. I'll forever be in your guys' debt. I love you guys so much. Grab their cups. My mirror's at the bottom.
Did you want to the bottom? Go. Let's go. Shout out to the pizza. Let's go. Nice view, eh? I like the view. Take me in your arms, rock me, baby. Oh, man. Take me in your arms, rock me, baby. Oh, tell her. Who the hell tagged in the toilet, eh? Tagged the toilet. Like
Let me take my shirt off.
good job, bud. Hey.
DJ.